No, we will be referee under 30. Men down, ref. No, but that 3 minutes and 5 minutes it was going back and forth. The lead now go abona bo ref. Bachamaile mamo car park already. But about ref under 15 11 o'clock. Bayile mo car park. Basubeletse that side. Ka 11. Maybe ka quarter to 11.
Because there is too much politics. No, there is too much politics, and the same people you might find who are they won't give their all. Even if you never decide over a Bujari coach, those players must know
You are Benfica. Yeah, you are Benfica. Yeah. Ball rolling, marvelous play. Nice, Jonas. Ow. Black Samurai. Pace? Fair. Cut back. Yeah. Ta. Thank you. Thank you, mommy's twin.
Come on,
it was one of the parents.
Parents, yeah,
yeah, and a little more fair.
No, no, when you other idea, my ship, never want to go on. I think I go to work to get or against it. You never to cooperate. I want to I don't care about the coordinator.
Let's get them Munaj.
Because as it was, I don't know what is it. I want to move to someone who was saying fitness test for the measure. It is not with them. Opposite fitness test is simple. Oh, I'm not going to Malagram of positive, but it wasn't a good body. That's why I got PS and I got PS and I put never put Malagram of a week. What? Only the playoffs, Jonah Super League. I got to Jonah SAB.
Nice one, Munaj.
Fela, who choose the referee?
Nice 10.
You need 10 of them. Based on the performance of the league games, which means already the league game is the last of the Mamilo. Don't you believe what I'm about to referee?
Lovely, nice one, Kaya. Nice ball to you.
One game, it's enough. One game is enough. But I'm not going to refuse select. I was going to play the trailer or whatever. Yeah, I South Africa brother, why corrupt them like I think it's on a fast. The only problem is that
unlucky Sarai. Yeah, nearly play.
Do you play or not anymore? Five sides. I want to go back to Lagos. You were playing. I was working. I was studying. But I had
FAP.
to find a way.
TDL, TD, what you know? Even number okay. TDL. 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 Run a professional TDL. TDL, what was for example, professional compared to maybe Feb.
Unlucky boy.
Even number 3. Maroka level refunya ke lokana re fa ka mofeta ba 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 no coach ru tunju filo le tshela ke re dela mono ba mono
Yeah, in soccer, that's the problem.
ke ma so ba re ka o tsene mo kitse le ke mo ke mo ke a tseba ko ru tunya na ba fana ba fetse ba re ko se ba fa ka so ne ke go re fa di di dara ja
Yeah, that's fine. That's the same thing. You no shoot up.
That's why when I want to just watch the school before, something wrong with it.
The same thing, because I was playing with him over the weekends, Sundays and stuff. But now he can't
Chip.
come because he's always here during the week. He's here Saturdays. Now, how are you going to on Sunday again? You're expected to come.
You can see the camera mula ke sara di travel.
Oh, camera.
Upano, take a shot with that left foot. Left foot. Ah, bounce.
You do family TDL what?
Player profile.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. The fair boy here.
TRDL fair from on the Chinese.
What out here, look.
I need to because I know he's always busy.
Nice, yeah.
Profile them, man.
Ah, you're right. Otherwise, you're right. What do I know? That's how you do what you do TV. You that's it.
Yeah.
Ah, cheesy. No, that's what.
Oh, nice idea.
Salute, say Lorette.
Oh yeah. No, 15 more. I don't know. No, 15 calendar.
Ah, KB attacks. I think. Oh,
I can buy
nice.
away.
Ah, good thing. Nice one, boys. Nice one, Nikena. Aman Risuna. No problem. Nice one, Zia. Aish. Hey. Mayflow Ari, I never cancel a game, girl. Oh, grey snow in the morning, snow. Too much. Top notch. Top notch.
For anything and referee the player just be discipline. Referee the player just be discipline.
Out.
24 hours decision is jinky. Aku with Marayaga mo 27 months. Come on, I'm a favor. Other again, that's why the referee go on a one. No, with the aim, I want to one of yellow card. Player gonna be getting my nota or Ladrafe.
Take a shot. Take a shot. Shy again. Unlucky boys are. Unlucky boy. They shot in shoelaces through the ball. Nice one, Kopano. Bo feel Sirai. Bulaya Muto. Kebo. Nice one, Sirai. They were here. Ari requested the team sheet.
Okay.
15 minutes prior.
Yeah.
I already told them that hey, the game will start at 10.
Yeah.
So obviously do your team sheet, do all your paperwork, and then nearly 10 o'clock. All the teams were here. Around about 5 to 10.
Yeah.
The teams were here.
They were here, which is
So
fine.
now the other team didn't have shin cards.
Okay.
So now I want to the box. It's a I'm a cut the box. Balogela is shin cards. So they had a problem with that as well.
For interrupt. I will stop the game.
And then now that disturbs now the team sheet. Nice one. It disturbs the team sheet now. They have to change team sheet and everything now, the names of those players with boxes or don't have cards. Now it came 10 o'clock on the dot. No, it's actually 5 to 10. He was already cancelling the game. Yeah, No, he canceled the game before 10 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, then they started cancelling the game. Then we're like, but we're pleading you, play the game. The kids are here. Now, until like, but 3 minutes past 10, really. Then they're like, they were already here 3 minutes past 10, already putting on jerseys. I'm like, 5 minutes now. Yeah.
And otherwise, those are the boys who wants to go to PSA. But they're doing shit
like this.
5 minutes crazy.
I want to have a lecture or get your lights men all over.
Well, I think they went to the car park. So they'll come back around about 11:15.
And they keep a far.
Keep a far.
I think they don't understand football. They've never played football.
I can even go to corner's place if one player doesn't have what? If the team requests you, what can I tell you? Do you know that whatever happens here, if you don't tell the office, nobody will know.
The thing is now another thing we were complaining about. The office, the administrator is the owner of the team. That TDL, that team A, that Benfica. So like that. I think yeah, so like Benfica running TDL. Yeah, get me high.
So but punish another.
I give. But why you would want to punish the kids? Hey. You give no, the thing is, but if ever the opposition is saying let's play, but if the opposition is saying no, let's play. And another thing they were saying, the team is the one that requested a 1 hour postponement. And they were not ready still.
I want to give me like Chamon. It was like nearly 10. That's why after time you have a fun about like 3 minutes because
oh, because you were under rush.
Stop a lot. About 10 minutes away, I got 10 minutes is enough to check the card. Don't be me out again. Oh, I'm slow tomorrow.
Oh, is it easy?
That's how I'm going to drive with you. I
think maybe half time. 1-2. Back up. Urayon and to him. Warm up. Yeah. They have to play. Come on. Kaya. But really mentally. Aye.
There's 2 types of friendly. Friendly game.
Yeah, tournament. Yeah. Nali friend with I. Madly range over fit to get Safali under 17. Safali under 17. Under 17 year World Cup again next month.
Give us man.
Can you buy a camp outside?
So otherwise, somebody's doing the job. Thank you.
Khala kile diamond.
South Africa South Africa is all how too much. Let about winch burner ready cricket go and do your look too much. No level of South Africa. There's too much grace. I can go with the mark. Mutuat or like a better to get la bank as Mutua. Mutuat or Lemus had Leo Doragano Roma than one big idea.
Oh, the what?
And I'm going to look at the Navarre. I don't know when I call a Papa and at the time on Nazanamo. No feel or what? No feel, no one, no one or the no, otherwise because I'm going to go to tomorrow. Other guy. Come a lot of respect about Bahawan. I don't know what time I never told Lamon, the guy to learn of Sugamo. I'll do at the Rumunica level. Salikila Diamond most than 2 hours again go back at the
yeah,
because what's a feed the guy.
Oh, unlucky Kaya. We win it, boy. The class is heavy. Nice, yeah. Oh, unlucky, yeah.
Okay, when we get our I can do. Come on, I was never over one, but you light. What to group you know your light? I'm going to give me a good telephone and have a lap. I would have one of the reasons why we saw it's fine. Change we have to adjust. I don't know what to tell you. But I soft too much. Well, no one know. Mutuaka no mutachanya na wawa. Na kwenda kana no kitu no what you anya no what. I don't know what.
Better. But he closed his angle, yeah. He closed the angle. Go over. What is about the slaling? Ah, that's a steal, Sarai. Goal kick. Penalty.
It's a penalty, Malakas.
Arwar pelele Arwar. Buleng. Buleng. Ah, bling bling.
Why you through the man? Next season, if you're
No, it's the second time. It's the second time. It's the second time. Same stadium. They told us no, we only need a draw. Puppies, but draw, but jive, more conning. Continue celebrating for something. Sure, take them to the corner. I don't blame Tebogo Mokoena. Where's the admin? The admin who's controlling to know what's the stats, what's happening. Where's the team admin? And now they want to appoint Nteki again. They are about to appoint Nteki for what? What has he done? For technical director. That guy is failed beyond failure. Now I'm waiting for someone Agari on these state captures. No, but something happened. I'm suspend. Well done, boys. Coach. Demrao.
What are you doing here?
Boys, you just got off. Wear your jackets, please. Put on your tracksuits. Put on your tracksuits. All of you, put on your tracksuits.
Be patient, your time will come. Which time? Which time? Because not going to make you the Nagara Ria Moria, Ria, Fast Board. Rapper, no Elmokavu, Rudia, so Chavano, and all man.
Why rap?
No, go take the other one. I grew and dollar of Jamana maybe load up of Other Gregam again. Gregam was the other way. Killer to Donna Gilwan, Alexander, Regala Givon. Anything ever Gregam Nagi Bonagabon. It was a form to cool down emotionally. What's about Pelaba to vote? What's about meaning I will pay on your so no minimize alone and getting. But when it comes to money, Gregas of
Didn't it, dear? Yeah.
You have to wait. Traditional otherwise it was how and the option is it's either going to be correct. With the commuter, Nangas, my papa who is young another one. Papa, I don't know or Lord Sketcher then. Guys, it was on. You took more emotion like a but I tell it to one. Never go for the oh, what are you
doing? Corner.
The ball is coming from that side.
But we will not complain. I'm not a platform. But your platform, you're okay, guys. Any what your thought, please suggest. Don't worry about
Kanda.
I'm learning something. Just for you to stand next to me, I'm learning something. Life. Let me tell you, you guys you are doing small. Are you guys you are doing small? Let me tell you, all those people you see from Nigeria in this country, we came here illegal. If you live in an airport who doesn't want money, who just read that. Tell me anyone who doesn't money. I don't know more airport to follow. What kind of a fellow to say so? We do a very security TV on the muscle also. Only sponsor. I won't get a planning of it. What's about 50,000 here? You look at a forum here. One, I fetch out a Latawaja, none of them. Can we go for age?
Oh, soccer players.
And now we don't put Jagai. I'm put Jagai in the street. You know what? You know, it's just I don't have my passport. My passport says 29 years and I'm 46.
White ball, white ball, white ball. Umfile.
Thank you. Apparently, under 13 Nigeria,
Blackberry, man. Zizu, nice one. Nice. Let's go, mommy's twin. Twin ya mama. Corner. Head work. Oh.
South Africa guys, we are too weak.
I see offside, Riv.
That's why I won't know when you go to Malema. Malema is not last two. I don't know when you go to Malema. I want to go too much. We go to the when I listen to Mela, I was going to travel to the public. Oh, can you listen to travel to the public? Hey, what do we do? Most South Africa problem game. No one will know. Unless I don't have boiler music, I get the local.
Wiz Khalifa.
Can't be thinking very fast.
I knew it.
Araba beat.
It's never. Your ball, Jonas. Unlucky boys, apologize. Nice one. Get into position. They're ready. Mabetilega body check. Wonga. Oh. Oh. Goal kick. Oh, nice one. Thank you, Kanda Kanda.
We can compete, we can go to the beach. Lord, do you know why I go to SAB? Because it's too much. When I will look what you not no, it's because I talk too much. Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's short, Kuchar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Agil mafia. Agil mafia. I think 8. I see the touch boy. Where's Khalifa? Ebo. Corner. Shy again.
1.5. No, Leah pants. Yeah. No, 1.5. 1.5.
If I'm never benefit of the otherwise,
Yeah.
or refugee immigration.
They're really serious in the country.
Nothing wrong, ref. Miss Khalifa. Kiona. Headwork. Ref. Oh. Eh, babuyela.
Abanye abangene ngapho man. Friendly.
Shoo. Take a shot. Take a shot, give us. Samdlalo, nice. Head trick! Kanda.
Singaki manje score.
8 or 9.
You don't cover this. Can you South Africa.
Well done, boys. Where's one more? Oh, there's the right. Bounce. Nice, Gion. Should have taken a shot. Bounce is gonna hit him. Mbete. Achive. Raiwina. Oh. Ay. Last 8 minutes.
8 minutes vela baba
8 minutes vela bounce Tlambet.
different
Nice release. Better Z. Click bang. Pa! Akayifetha noma. Different like it. Bayidlala.
Hey, Brooks.
You can see the game better than anybody.
Ritu. Isayifetha. Ka 11.
We tried to get equipment for these boys.
Chifield,
He at the bottom.
Yeah, what kind of equipment for these boys? So I guess because of equipment they come out of it.
Come, let's go, boys. Well done, boys. Well done, both teams.